Hello friends, in this video, we will show you how to protect specific areas in Excel. So for this video, we have this Excel datasheet. So here we have one sales datasheet where we want to protect these columns and these below columns. To protect those, first we need to select entire sheet, right click, go to format cell, click on this protect option and here we have one option as locked. Click on it and click on OK. Again, so wherever the cells you want to edit or you want to unprotect, select those cells only. Again right click, go to format and again go to protection, uncheck this locked one and click on OK. Post that, go to review option and here we have one option as a protect sheet. Click on it and here we need to give the password as I am giving here password 123. And here we have some options we need to select according to us. As of now, we are selecting locked and unlocked cells and click on OK. Again, re-enter the password 123. Click on OK. So let's say I want to edit this cell. So see friends, we got one pop-up that we can't edit this column. So see friends, we got the pop-up that we can't edit this cell. So I'm clicking on OK. But if I want to edit here, you can see friends, I am able to edit. I'm giving just 120 here. Let's see. So the values got changed. We can edit these cells here, but above one we can't able to edit. If I want to edit this cell also, so see friends, again we got the pop-up. To unprotect this sheet again, just select the entire sheet again, go to unprotect and here you need to give the password as 123 again. Click on OK. So see friends, now I am able to edit entire sheet. So that's it. If this helped, like, share and subscribe to Akshrika tutorial. See you in next video. Thank you.